Dale, what's going on here?
So we got WIKD 1 already disassembled. We got the rear subframe out, the transmission, the diff, the whole engine block. This is the LT4 engine block that was in it. We got the whole cage put in. We got the Kirky seat put in. I think we're keeping the meth kit. So as Chase said before, WIKD 1 is going to be a 2,000 plus horsepower race car. This is no longer going to be street legal. But yeah, WIKD 1, WIKD 2 is going to get the F1X. It's going to get NOS, the mounts, the intake manifold, of course the charge pipes for the F1X. It's just going to be a whole replication of WIKD 1.
What this used to be.
What it used to be.
Yeah. So it's all ripped apart. It looks kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Never seen it like this.
Yeah, I mean, if the roll cage and the seat doesn't
It's
say
almost
anything,
there. Like
yeah.
it just needs a new engine capable of withstanding what we need it to do. So.
Yep, so that's in the works right now. Got this beautiful S5, sleeper S5. I think it's upwards of 700, 800 plus horsepower.
Yeah.
We got that S4 up on the dyno, which we're gonna do downpipes, tune. We just baselined it yesterday.
Yeah. What did it make? You remember?
Made
Around 300.
Yeah, around 300. So downpipes, tune, could easily gain like another 100 horsepower out of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks sick. What really threw me off is that the fender's down here. And like, usually most cars have the fender go all the way up here.
Yeah.
But like, the hood goes all the way to the A-pillar.
Interesting.
I'm not a Euro guy. I'm a JDM guy. But like, I was like, whoa, that's pretty weird. But yeah, moving on. We got this Genesis here. It's got a LS block in it. Well, it's almost done.
Matt's doing a lot of the wiring
Yeah.
stuff. Fit your own exhaust thing over here. He's kind of buttoning it up.
It's got the X pipe too. I think it's also a 6-speed manual, so that's always a plus,
Yeah.
especially for a LS and a Genesis.
So this is a more unique build we have in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think it'll be fun.
Oh
to
yeah,
see on the dyno.
definitely. And I mean, as far as I know, the owner is trying to keep it like as stock as possible.
Yeah.
In a sense of like
Yeah.
having AC and everything
Yeah.
connected to the new ECU and everything. So I
Big
think
job.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty sick.
And then we have Kong.
We have Kong Z06. Matt, how much did this make? How much horsepower does this make? Guess, just like a rough guess.
I would say probably in the same ballpark as this.
Around like 1,300?
Probably.
13?
1,300.
Yeah, it's a 416.
Oh, really?
Just
Oh,
like
wow.
in here.
Yeah.
And it's got the same. It's the same 416, except it's an aluminum block instead of an iron block. And then it's got the CID heads, which this has, and it's got a ported blower, which is what this has. It's got port injection. It's a lot like this. So
I didn't know that.
I think it makes close to about that range. I think realistically, I looked it up. I think it was making like high 12s.
High 12s.
High 12s, if I remember correctly.
Yeah.
But I think it's capable of pushing like this one will be.
Wow, that's wild.
So we're gonna get it all straightened out, and then
Yeah.
we'll probably be able to see its full potential. For
Yeah.
sure.
It looks.
Then we obviously have Rift.
Yeah, we got Rift. Rift is about to get ready for its
Break-in.
break-in miles. So hopefully we see this thing down the track if the owner wants to track it. But is he dailying this thing?
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna be a 1,300 horsepower daily. I don't know if he's gonna track it as much as we track our own cars.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I mean, from my understanding, he's had 3 other V cars that have all been over 1,000 horsepower.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
wow.
So he's got a thing about building high horsepower Vs.
Well, if he watches this, come to the track.
Yeah,
We
please
wanna see it.
come to the
We wanna
track.
see it.
This thing is a beast. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's it's a beast, dude. Like it's
It might break.
Yeah, so we would like to see that. I mean, everyone in the world probably would see that too.
Yeah, true. Good stuff.
Yeah, I mean, this thing has a nasty fucking lope on it. Like, it's just making popcorn.
Yeah.
So
honestly. And then, yeah, so that's really what's going on in the shop. I think Nick's gonna be tuning this later today. Not sure about the Audi right there. Still kind of buttoning that up. But yeah, kind of just buttoning things up.
Yep.
Getting things good to go.
We had the complete customs truck. It went back home, right, Matt?
It went to go get a custom drive shaft built, and then they're going to bring it back, and we're going to put it on the dyno.
Okay.
Cool. So probably the next thing we'll move on to is probably the tune.
Yeah, for the S4.
Yeah.
So
You said we're doing downpipes and stuff like that?
yeah, we're just gonna, I think we're just doing downpipes.
Just downpipes?
So
Not much to gain from that, but
I mean, with the tune and downpipes, I mean, our turbo car, I mean,
yeah,
it does a lot to it.
it'll add something.
Yeah.
So, stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You're done?
Yes.
What'd you do?
I replaced the high pressure fuel pump spring
Yeah.
to a aftermarket one from IE.
Okay. Nice.
Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Did an oil change. It's about to go back on the dyno. We're gonna
Yep.
swap these two Audis, and
You're gonna do downpipes?
I'm gonna do downpipes. S4.
S4?
I think it's S4. Yeah.
S4.
This is S5. It's a little bigger.
S5, S4.
This is the big boy.
Yes.
It's a little chunky.
Do you think it's gonna add a lot of horsepower with the downpipes?
It'll
50?
probably add. Yeah.
50-ish?
Yeah, 50-ish. Probably. Hopefully.
Will it sound?
I don't even know what it made before.
Will it sound cooler?
I think so. Might sound a little more ricey, but
Okay. Bet. All right, let's do it.
performance is performance, right?
Yep, let's do it. You did it.
Baby cat.
It's a baby.
Yeah, it's a baby. Okay.
Low key.
Does it meow?
Meow.
That was limiter.
Oh yeah, because it won't let you go over like what 4 in park or neutral. Oh.
You gotta hold both paddles then.
Where What are your predictions? 390.
Yeah, 380,
390,
390, and like hopefully around 400 torque.
Yeah, that'd be dope. Nick, tell us about the tune we just did.
So we did a stage 2 tune. He already had an intake on the car. We added a downpipe to it. Then we flashed our stage 2 tune on it. Got it dialed pretty well. I think it had some octane issues before. So I put a little bit of octane booster. Went through the file. Was able to get 100 horse and a little over 100 torque out of it.
A little chunky.
Do you think it's gonna add a lot of horsepower with the downpipes?
It'll
50?
probably add, yeah,
50-ish?
yeah, 50-ish. Yeah, 50-ish.
Dude, isn't that crazy, Michael?
I mean,
That's all because of you.
what can I say?
And you.
So yeah, he should be very happy.
What do you think the next step for this build would be?
Next step for the car, I would say, would be fuel. High pressure pump. Could put it on E85, or you could go upgrade to turbo. It still needs, I did flash the TCU for the torque limits. It would need like a full TCU tune. But yeah, that's kind of the next step for the car.
Cool, thank you.
That's funny.
Huh?
That's the same amount of torque. My
Your truck?
my V8 makes.
Are you serious? Your truck makes
Yeah.
the same
That's
amount of
the exact
torque?
same amount of torque my truck makes.
Oh, and this is all-wheel drive. It's basically your truck. I have an idea. You ready? McDonald's partnership. McWicked.
like Whataburger partnership.
McWicked. Black buns.
Buffalo Ranch Wicked Sandwich.
Spicy with it.
But it's the sauce is black.
It's not sauce, it's just used oil.
Buffy Ranch. Buffy Ranch sandwich.